Take your motorcycle audio system to the next level with the next generation HD14 BL69 bag lid kit from Rockford Fosgate. Purpose-built for 2014 and newer Harley-Davidson motorcycles, this all-inclusive kit is engineered to deliver powerful, balanced sound with seamless integration. Designed to redefine on-bike audio, this bag lid kit delivers rich mids, deep bass, and crystal clear highs for an upgraded listening experience that stays clean, dynamic, and powerful on the road. Built from premium materials and engineered for the motorcycle environment, this kit is a new standard for performance, durability, and reliability. This system is precision-tuned to deliver high output with deep, extended low-end response, featuring long-throw 6x9 woofers, a large voice coil, and an extended frequency range. These speakers produce stronger bass, louder output, and more dynamic sound profile that brings your music to life while you ride. This kit is performance engineered in every detail, delivering up to 300 watts. That's twice the power of the previous generation. These 6x9 speakers are built for serious output. A heat-resistant motor structure and radiator ring help dissipate heat efficiently, maintaining consistent, powerful sound even when pushed under demanding conditions. Made for seamless integration with the Rockford Fosgate motorcycle audio ecosystem, this bag lid kit fits all 2014 and newer non-subwoofer stage kits, making upgrades effortless without ever leaving the platform. Installation is built to be clean and reliable. The kit includes watertight grommeted installation harnesses with OEM style and Deutsch DT connectors. It helps simplify the upgrade while maintaining a factory style fit and finish. And because this kit is built for motorcycles, it's designed to handle the elements. As part of Rockford Fosgate's Element Ready lineup, it's purpose-built to stand up to water, dirt, UV exposure, and constant vibration. Whether you're riding through changing weather, long highway miles, or rough road conditions, your audio is built to stand the test of time. So whether you're upgrading an existing stage system or building a more powerful motorcycle audio setup, the HD14 BL69 bag lid kit is built to deliver.